Assalamu alaikum children. Today in English literature, we are going to continue with our reader, The Elves and the Shoemaker, and we will be reading page 20 and 21. We had read it last week. We are going to do some activities related to these pages today. Now, before we continue with the reading, let's recap the story. Which are the characters in this story? You know that there is a shoemaker, his wife, the elves, and there was a rich woman and a rich man. Okay? And who is poor and why? The shoemaker is poor because he doesn't have any more money left to buy the leather pieces. He has only one piece of leather left for making the shoes. Now what do? The shoemaker and his wife, they are cobblers. They make the shoes. Okay, they are shoemakers or they are cobblers and they make shoes. How do they make the shoes? They make the shoes by using leather. Okay, there are a lot of different things that we discussed in one of the lessons: the needles, the threads, the pieces of leather, shoemaker's foot. So all of these, cobbler's foot, that is what is used in making the shoes. What happened to the only piece of leather left? Remember, there was one piece of leather for which the shoemaker had cut for one pair of shoes, and he had left it in his shop and he had gone to sleep. In the morning when he came, he saw that instead of a piece of leather, there was a pair of shoes there. Okay. Now, who came to the shop? Now, there was a rich lady who came to the shop, and when she saw the shoes there, the pair of shoes, she liked them very much, and she bought them and gave one gold coin to the shoemaker. Okay, what did she do? She gave one gold coin to the shoemaker. Okay, now you can turn your pages and predict what can happen in the story. Okay, predict means what is going to happen next in the story. Okay, you can make a guess by looking at the pictures. Who has made you will also find out who made these shoes. Okay, the elves and the shoemaker, page 20 and 21. Over here, last week we had discussed this. This is the rich man. These are the two shoes that were made by the shoemaker from the money that the rich woman had given him. And they are very happy as the rich man has bought the shoes and he is giving 3 gold coins to them. Let's read the page again. The same day, a rich man came into the shop. "What beautiful shoes," he said. "I'll buy these shoes for 6 gold coins." Okay, so he is giving 6 gold coins to the shoemaker. Now we have some classwork. This is a sort of an assignment. Okay, so these are the question answers. How many pair of shoes are there on the table? What are their colors? You have to write their colors, and there were 2 pair of shoes on the table. Who came to the shop? What did he pay the shoemaker? The rich man came to the shop and he paid 6 gold coins to the shoemaker. How did the rich man describe the shoes? He said, "What beautiful shoes." Okay. Now your homework is do handwriting practice of page number 20 and 21. Be careful about the punctuation marks. Okay, you have to be careful while doing the handwriting practice. Okay, so this is all we have to do today. Tomorrow we will come up with something else, some new topic. So take care of yourselves.